Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of RTHD. In this episode, I want to talk a little bit about stock photography and stock videography, so stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, so for those of you who don't know, a lot of creators and so forth, they use their own stock photography and they actually sell it on websites such as like Pond5. I think there's Adobe Creative, Cloud, and so forth, where you could actually post these pictures and make, some profit to some degree. What I want to start off first with is talking about these companies. I think these companies, to some degree, are very, very greedy in the sense that when you upload, for example, a photography or even videography that is your stock and you want to sell it, they actually make like 60% profit sometimes on you. So you only get 40% profit. And that's a sort of sad situation because I think that they are a bit greedy. But with that being said, it's still an opportunity, of course, for many people to, make some money and so forth and basically put it out there on a site that is targeted for that specific purpose or reason. A lot of the times, photography actually makes a lot less money from what I've seen compared to videography. So it's something that is kind of new in my mind in terms of whether I'll be putting out some stock photography, videography, etc., and seeing how that will go. But that is a separate option from just doing YouTube videos, because YouTube videos, a lot of the times how people make money with YouTube videos is, of course, AdSense, which is Google Ads, which pay you, a pittance of that of money in terms of for your video being used where ad is overlaid over it and so forth. And so, for content creators who have a lot of content, this might be an option for you to make a little bit of extra money. Now, there's also affiliate marketing as well, for those of you know. So, like a lot of people, they review products. I don't do this per se, but you could review products and then have an affiliate link, like an Amazon link, where when someone decides to purchase the product, you get like a pittance, maybe like a 2 or 3% or 5%, profit from that sale, and that goes towards your monthly income or whatever it is. That is also an option. But with the stock photography and videography, I think that the best option is actually not photography, because there's like so many photos out there, and you have to be like really, really good and not just, like the thing is, the strange thing about this is that it's not just taking like a picture of something, but like you have to like know what people want and what people need. And now the thing is that with photography, the prices are a lot lower. Like I think when you sell a product, it is like maybe between $3 to maybe like I think $25. I'm saying a product, a photograph. Usually that's within the range, but with videography, it's marginally higher in the sense that it's probably from like $25 up to, I've seen things like $300 and so forth. Of course, because you only make sometimes half of that or even less than half of that, of course, you're not expected to make $300 in one shot necessarily, unless you have like really, really good footage and something that you can't find anywhere else. With that being said, guys, I would be testing out perhaps one of these things in the near future and to see how it goes. And so please consider liking and subscribing so that I would probably give you an update on whether my tests will work well or whether it won't. And something again, guys, I hope that you think about, if you are a content creator out there and you may have a small YouTube channel, you don't actually have to have, as I have keep saying, you don't have to have thousands and millions of views in order to make money. You just need to know and target specific things. Obviously, YouTube ads would be a nice start to getting something in your hands, but definitely it seems that stock photography and videography might be an even better way of making a substantially more amount of money that you could just generally enjoy and probably use it to reinvest back into your YouTube channels, or content creators need to eat as well too. So definitely, by all means, however you use that to buy new cameras, equipment, and then enjoy, of course, profits from it, that's totally fine as well too. I don't see any problem with that per se. And with that being said, guys, that's just a short topic. Hopefully I'll come back with another video where I'll be talking about this special site that I actually found that I plan to be using. So stay tuned for that episode. And stay tuned again for another episode of RTHD coming to a YouTube screen near you. Bye.